Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get right on line under the header and footers. You can delete it easily. So I will show you perfect process. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word. So here you can see in heading I have two lines, and footer in footer I have one line. Okay, so I will show you. If you have lines on your header, so maybe they are different. Okay, some headings, some line may be shapes, or some line may be bordered. So if this line is shaped, then you need to just enable the header. How you can enable the header? Go to the search and type the header and search for header. Okay, and go to the edit header. Now it will be enabled, or you can simply double click on header. Okay, now it's enabled. If this line is shapes, then you easily select that line like this. Select this and just double click on it. It will be select, and now hit the delete button. The line will be deleted. Okay, now the second line, if not selected or not able to select, okay, then this could be the shape, could be the border. So in this option, in this method, how we can do this, how we can remove this line? Just enable the header. Okay, and here in search bar, search for border and shadings, borders and shadings, and go to the options, and here just uncheck this line. If line at top, you can uncheck it, or you can simply select none. Okay, simply select none and just click OK. Okay, let me check again. You have to keep the cursor on the line. Okay, just keep the cursor on the line. Go to the border and shadings, select the none. Okay, it is selected. Let me click OK. That line has been deleted. Same process for the footer. If there is a line in the footer, just double click on the footer, then the footer will be enabled. So this line is a border. Okay, so first we need to go in border and shading. Here select none. Okay, and just click OK. So that is how you can remove the header footer line. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.